Mentioned in the Al-Quran and Hadith, these are the benefits of Bidara leaves. Ziziphus Mauritiana may be foreign to your ears, but his famous name, Bidara, must have been widely known. Bidara plants are a type of small tree that grows green and are found in North Africa and the tropics. In Indonesia alone, this plant is found in Sumbawa, West Nusa Tenggara. Bidara is one of the plants mentioned in the Al-Quran and the Hadith of the Prophet. One of them is in the Quran Surah Saba verse 16. But they turned away, so we brought to them a great flood and we replaced their 2 gardens with 2 overgrown gardens, trees, with bitter fruit, the Athlene tree and a little of the Sidr tree, Bidara. In several hadiths of the Prophet Muhammad also mentioned the recommendation for the use of Bidara leaves. Bathe by pouring water mixed with Bidara leaves 3 times, 5 times, or more if you think it is necessary, and make the last one with kaffir barus, fragrance. Narrated by Bukhari and Muslim, the efficacy of Bidara leaves is certainly no doubt because it has been mentioned in the Al-Quran and Hadith. In fact, the efficacy of Bidara leaves has also been scientifically researched. In several studies mentioned some of the benefits of Bidara leaves, including as an antimicrobial, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, and anti-inflammatory. Here are some of the benefits of these Bidara leaves. 1. Antimicrobial. Most of the benefits of Bidara leaves are as an antimicrobial. Both bacteria, fungi, and parasites. Some of the active substances contained in Bidara leaf extract that show this potential are alkaloids, flavonoids, phenolic tannins and saponeos. One of the active ingredients of Bidara leaves that functions as antibacterial is saponins. Saponins are complex glycosides. These compounds are polar and water-soluble, hydrophilic, and are often called natural surfactants because they can reduce surface tension. Other ingredients such as alkaloids, flavonoids, and tannins also show antimicrobial activity. Alkaloid antimicrobial mechanism is to disrupt the peptidoglycan component in bacteria so that the microbial cell wall layer is no longer formed and causes microbial cells to be easily destroyed. To accelerate wound healing, Bidara leaves can also be used to speed up the wound healing process. Because Bidara leaves have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that are very good in helping to accelerate the skin regeneration process. In addition, the content of glycoside compounds in Bidara leaves can also remove scars on the skin and heal burns. Skin sores such as abrasions, cuts, or scratches. How to use it is quite easy. You can take the Bidara leaf extract powder, then mix it a little with water. Then apply on the injured body area. 3. Antidepressants. Bidara leaves contain alkaloids and flavonoids which can inhibit the action of monoamine oxidase, thus inhibiting the degradation of central nervous neurotransmitters such as serotonin and catecholamines, which have an effect on the brain, and raises the potential for stimulation of the central nervous system that inhibits depression. Besides that, Bidara leaves can also be antioxidants. Bidara leaf extract has strong antioxidant activity. This is due to the flavonoid content contained in it. Flavonoids are reducing compounds that can inhibit many oxidation reactions by transferring electron compounds to free radical compounds so that free radical compounds become stable and no oxidation reactions occur. 4. Anti-cancer. In Bidara leaves also found alkaloid compounds, saponins, triterpenoids, and steroids which have cytotoxic effects as anti-cancer. Where it is known that these compounds produce reducing compounds known as quercetin. Quercetin, which is classified as an antioxidant, has activity against the proto-oncogene receptor protein tyrosine kinase and uridine 5 monophosphate synthase. As receptors for anti-cancer drugs which in the end can inhibit DNA topoisomerase in cancer cells, which results in inhibition of cancer cell growth. 5. Helps troubleshoot Leukorrhoe. Leukorrhoe is often a problem for some women. The antifungal and antibacterial content of Bidara leaves can help prevent vaginal discharge in the female area. To use it, you can mix the soaking water in the leaves of Bidara to clean the area. Do it regularly or just after bathing. 6. Lowering cholesterol. Bad cholesterol or LDL in the blood can drop if you consume water-soluble fiber. This fiber can be obtained from boiled water of Bidara leaves. This bidara leaf extract can bind cholesterol in the digestive system and throw it out through feces. The anti-diabetic activity of bidara leaf extract is also obtained by inhibiting enzymes that break down carbohydrates into glucose in the digestive tract.